Okay, hello, so are you hungry? At least I am. So here I have some berries. So I will make some ice cream now and show you how to make very healthy ice cream. Those are organic berries, so as you can see, like strawberries, raspberries and some other berries mixed in. So let me put you over here. So I have like this here, and I put the berries in first. So that now the berries are in. Now we need some honey, like some special one, some special organic honey here. Yeah, first time I try this honey, so I will also try some raw. And then I put in some chaga mushroom. This one I think you don't need it actually. It's like some very special thing, but yeah, you can always do it without the chaga. Okay, so put those two things in first. This chaga is actually from Siberia, so good quality. You need some spoon here for the honey. Depends on how sweet you want to have it. Yeah, put like 1 tablespoonful in it. Oh yeah, also tastes good like that. I also take some organic cacao, like this stuff which makes the taste of the chocolate. Just it's healthy again because we don't use like the sugar and stuff. You know, put some in. We like also a tablespoonful. If you like chocolate, you can put in more. So now it's like nearly finished. I will get some water. As you can see, self-distilled here. Professional. Yeah, very little water, otherwise it's getting too warm. Maybe this was like 10-20 milliliters, but you can also put in more, or you can use like what's also really good is like orange juice. So we need like a mixer kind of thing. Okay, if I put in here, very important, like check your security measures. So you don't want to put in the fingers and then the mixer or something like that, just the mixer inside. Then start the mixing. Okay, I need some more water. First pull out the electricity, then you can add some water here. And then let's do some more mixing. So if it's like too hard to mix, you will add some water or some orange juice or some apple juice, depending on how you like it. If you add like juice, it will get another taste and also will be a little bit more sweet. Okay, so now it's finished. Always disconnect your mixer before you get it out of the thing. It tastes really good and very healthy, not like the other ice cream with sugar and stuff. So yeah, try it out and have fun. You can also add like some stuff from the peanut butter or something like that to make it like even more smooth. and yeah, maybe some vitamin E also. But yeah, this is like the organic ice cream now, and I will eat it. Take care, see you next time.